Okay, this is exam 2 review, the last problem, number 16, and it's used Newton's method. We're basically given everything we need here. We just need to know how to take derivatives. We're given the formula. So basically, we're going to find x sub 2 by first finding x sub 1. And notice we're given x sub 0, so x sub 0 plus 1 is x sub 1. And we're going to put x sub 0 right here, which is 0, and we're going to subtract the quotient f evaluated at 0 over f prime evaluated at 0. That'll give us x sub 1, and then of course x sub 1 plus 1 is x sub 2, and then we'll use that x sub 1 value in the like fashion. So first thing we need, this is a pretty straightforward problem. I mean, as long as you know how to do it, practice a little bit, this should be easy. And we're going to call the function f of x. This will probably be important, although solutions manual don't often tell you this, but this isn't really a function, this is an equation. What it's telling you to do is to find where this function right here equals 0. Anyway, so we're going to take the derivative of f of x. So the derivative of f of x is going to be 3x squared plus 3. Now we're just going to jump right in and find x sub 1. Remember, that's x sub 0 plus 1, which is x sub 1. We're given an x sub 0 right here. So x sub 0 is equals to 0. And then, oh, why did I put a little equal sign there? Let me erase one of those. So minus f evaluated at 0. Well, f evaluated at 0 is 0 plus 0 plus 1, oops, I need a 1 over f prime evaluated at 0 is 0 plus 3, so that's just what it is negative 1/3. So that's x sub 1. So now we want to find x sub 1 plus 1, which is x sub 2, and that's going to finish out the problem once we get that answer. So x sub 2 equals negative 1 over 3, because that's now our new x sub n, it's x sub 1, minus f evaluated at negative 1/3, so that's going to be f of negative 1/3 is equal to negative 1/3 cubed, oops, getting off the little paper, plus negative 1/3 times 3. I know I put it out of order there, I'm sorry, but anyway, 3 times negative 1/3. So this is going to equal negative 1 over 27. Minus 1 plus 1, so we just have negative 1 over 27 in the numerator. And we have f prime of negative 1/3, and we'll this is our little scratch work. F prime of negative 1/3 is equal to 3 times negative 1/3 squared plus 3. Negative 1 squared is 1 over 9. 3 over 9 is 1 over 3 plus 3 is equal to this is sorry, there's a lawnmower outside. We need a common denominator, so this will be 1/3 plus 3 times it's 9, so we get 10/3, so that'll be over f prime of negative 1/3 is 10/3, so we have 1, ooh, that don't look good, negative 1/3, the minus and the minus cancel, make a plus, and then I'll just write it like this so you can see kind of what's going on. 1/27th, and then pull it out, multiply by the reciprocal, 3 over 10, so this is going to equal negative 1/3. One of these 3's is going to cancel, make a 1, make a 9 down here, so we have plus 1 over 90, which equals common denominator negative 30 over 90 plus 1/90, and that equals negative 29 over 90. So x sub 2 equals negative 29 over 90. And this is a way to find zeros. You usually use a calculator to estimate what the zero will be, and that will be your original x sub 0, and you find your x sub 2 by this. And this is when when it's hard to, you can't factor and you have something other than a quadratic, and it doesn't always, sometimes it doesn't work with like things like tangents. I'm not saying it doesn't work with tangents, it just sometimes doesn't. So that's about all I want to mention there, and that's it.